Landing pages are a great way to sell, but the process can be time-consuming and difficult to navigate. With a user-friendly design editor, you can easily build high-converting landing pages, pop-ups, and quizzes. It's only FastPages.io. I will inspect FastPages.io, a platform that helps with building sales funnels and pop-ups. In the next section, I would like to tackle why you need to have fast landing pages or sites. With third-party cookie tracking nearly dead in the water, you have to figure out another strategy for retargeting users without breaking your ad budget. You need an easier way to launch funnels, create optimized landing pages, and track data across your tech stack. Get it done with FastPages. Let's see if it truly lives up to its claim and whether its lifetime deal is worth grabbing. We will also compare it with an equally famous page builder called ClickFunnels. Build and optimize marketing funnels for your clients. Create landing pages, pop-ups, and interactive funnels. Track and optimize them. Reach conversion goals and keep your clients happy without hiring a techie. Build and optimize every step of your clients' funnels. Create interactive funnels, enrich visitor data, and keep your clients happy, efficient, and time-saving. Build your clients' landing pages, pop-ups, and quizzes faster than ever. Simply set styling like fonts and colors once in client workspaces. Personalize experiences. Activate personalized experiences by creating super-fast landing pages, pop-ups, quizzes, and more with FastPages interactive funnels. Grow your clients' revenue. Create rich visitor profiles to grow your clients' revenue with FastPages first-party visitor tracking and funnels. Increase your clients' conversion rates. Create interactive funnels for every phase of your lead. Build quizzes, landing pages, pop-ups, and other experiences that increase conversions. Track using first-party cookie data. Create interactive funnels for every phase of your lead. Build quizzes, landing pages, pop-ups, and other experiences that increase conversions. Save time and grow your agency's revenue. Don't repeat the same moves. Set fonts, colors, and styling only once. Take advantage of your solution. FastPages helps you launch sales funnels complete with quick loading landing pages, pop-ups, quizzes, and first-party cookies. With FastPages, you can create landing pages and interactive funnels, like quizzes or questionnaires, to optimize every touchpoint in your sales funnel. You'll be able to sync your marketing content with ad platforms like Facebook and TikTok to track overall performance. And because data is saved automatically, you can capture responses and follow up even if users leave your page. You can use the design editor to build high-converting landing pages in an instant. No design or coding experience required. True to its name, FastPages lets you host landing pages with lightning-fast loading speeds to reduce bounce rates. Collect visitor info with multi-step forms and quizzes, and you can also take advantage of dynamic content for highly targeted landing pages. In just one click, integrate customer data with your email service provider and CRM to watch your list grow. It's also easy to sync user information across ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and other email marketing automation systems. Send lead events directly to Facebook Conversion API or TikTok Events API to track your clients' campaigns and optimize for higher conversions. And since it's cheaper to send lead events compared to retargeting, you can also save more money on your marketing budget. Thanks to the built-in tracking features, you can identify where leads are coming from and see how to engage them for sky-high conversions. FastPages lets you redirect visitors to the next stage of the funnel based on their previous actions and results. Integrations. You can integrate third-party apps to complete your landing page design and enhance your FastPages funnel strategy. These include MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which are both email marketing platforms. Zapier, which is a handy tool that helps automate processes by allowing you to place your favorite platforms in one place. Zapier can manage over 2,000 apps, including Slack and Trello, and premium add-ons like Facebook Lead Ads. WordPress, which is helpful if you want to use this content management system to build your landing page or website. Single-click publish. Whether you're using a template or starting from scratch, the page always includes a publish button. Click it and your page goes live. You can also edit your pages anytime. Plus, you're able to save native data to your domain name using first-party cookies to track the entire customer journey. Without first-party data, mapping out the entire customer journey feels like writing an essay for a book you didn't read. FastPages gives you everything you need to run successful sales funnels from the jump, so you can bump conversion rates and lower ad costs. Launch foolproof sales funnels. Get lifetime access to FastPages today.